Dear students, so we are learning about symmetry concept in mathematics in this video. Symmetrical figures with more than two lines of symmetry. Example is being taken here. Here's a square. There's a square. There is one line, two line, three line, and fourth line. These are called as four lines of symmetry. That is, basically, symmetry is nothing but when you fold a shape and supposing I have a letter V. If letter V is taken into account and a line is drawn along the vertex here, and there will be two parts, part 1 and part 2. Both of these two parts are identical. I write here, this is identical. That is one property of the symmetric shape. And if along the line the shape is folded, they superimpose, they combine together. We call it as superimposition. If so, then this shape is called a symmetric shape or a symmetric figure. Similarly, the line that is drawn, it becomes line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. There are various shapes which are having a single line of symmetry, and there will be two lines of symmetry, there will be three lines, something like that. Let us take an example of a two-line symmetry shape. Suppose a rectangle is taken into account. And here a line can be drawn exactly along the vertical section. This is called vertical line of symmetry. And one more line can be drawn along the horizontal of the rectangle, and this is called horizontal line of symmetry. And therefore there are two lines of symmetry. Here it has two lines, whereas this shape has only one line. There is one line of symmetry, and here there are two lines of symmetry. Similarly, when we draw an equilateral triangle, in this case we will have from each vertex, that is one line passing through one vertex, second line passing through one more vertex, and third line passing through one more vertex. These three are called our three lines of symmetry. There are three lines of symmetry in this. Thus, we have various shapes. Square is here, and a regular hexagon is taken into account. An equilateral triangle is just explained now. And various English letters for that matter will also have an example I will take for you. Suppose E is a letter. If a line is drawn like this, then this can get folded like this and it will give the line of symmetry, and such shapes are called symmetric shapes. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your support.